Hello students, today we shall learn about the sentence and its types. Students, when we read a book, we read words. When we speak, we use words. When we write, we use words. We generally use these words in groups. For example, Ram is a good boy. Where do you live? These are sentences. Now look at the definition of a sentence. A group of words which makes complete sense is called a sentence. It is written in a particular order such that it makes a complete meaning. Now, look at this example. Good, Ram, boy, a, is. This is also a group of words. Can we say it a sentence? If not, why not? We cannot say it a sentence. It is true that it is a group of words, but it is not written in a particular pattern. It is not giving any sense. It is meaningless. The most important condition for a sentence that it gives a complete sense. So it is written as Ram is a good boy. Now look at this group of words. A good boy. This is also a group of words and also giving a sense, but it is also not a sentence. It is true that it is giving sense, but it is not giving a complete sense. It is a phrase. We shall discuss about it later. Now I hope you are able to define a sentence. Once again, we'll look at the definition of a sentence. Sentence is a group of words which makes a complete sense. Now we discuss about these various types of sentences one by one. There are four main types of sentences. First, declarative or assertive sentence. Second, interrogative sentence. Third, imperative sentence. And fourth, exclamatory sentence. Now we discuss about these various types of sentences one by one. First, declarative or assertive sentence. This type of sentence makes a statement or describes somebody, something. It can be positive or negative. For example, Ram is a good boy. Ram is not a good boy. They are the most commonly used sentences. Second, interrogative sentence. This type of sentence asks a question. They end with a question mark. For example, is Ram a good boy? Third type of sentence, imperative sentence. This type of sentence expresses a request, command, order, or suggestion. For example, open the door please. It is a request. Get out of my room. It is an order. Fourth, exclamatory sentence. This type of sentence expresses strong feelings like surprise, shock, anger, fear, happiness, excitement, sorrow, etc. Such sentences end with a sign of exclamation. For example, Hurrah, we have won the match. Alas, I have lost my book. Students, these are various types of sentences. Now I hope you are able to recognize these types of sentences. So, here is an assignment for you.